What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Steve. Hope you are doing well, and this is starting to get a little repetitive because it's been the 30th anniversary of Jordan 5s in 2020, so we have seen a ton of Jordan 5s, not just in the regular basketball sphere, but in the golf sphere, and we've covered this many times on this channel. I have had my hands on so many Jordan 5 low golf cleats, and the train keeps on rolling going into the very end of the year because I have today the Jordan 5 golf low in the metallic black colorway, and I have been very much anticipating this one. I mean, what's not to like? Let's take a closer look and then we'll get into it. Alright guys, now you've seen a closer look at these bad boys right here. Welcome to the channel. Consider hitting that like and subscribe if you guys are new. We talk sneakers, and there's also a special little section of this channel carved out for golf sneakers because I am an avid golfer. So golf cleats, golf sneakers is what I'm going to cover as well. So if that's you, consider hitting that like and subscribe, joining the family, checking out some of my dope links in the description below, some of my favorite sneaker books, favorite golf books as well for this video, and some protective shoe spray to keep your kicks clean, including these right here. These are the Jordan 5 metallic black golf low. I mean, it's a classic colorway. There's not much to say there. It's what you want in a Jordan 5. Now, for those of you, because I've gotten a message or two on Instagram asking me about these. No, you cannot use these as a regular sneaker, guys. This outsole, which is beautiful by the way, is all hard plastic, and you can take these spikes off, but this is not going to be a conducive surface for you to be doing everyday things on. It's just not that. So let the golfers have these. This is not for the regular sneaker heads. Now that we got that out of the way, guys, like I said, I've done so many of these Jordan 5 golf sneakers that I got plenty of videos, so you can look back at some of those other colorways. They do switch things up here and there, different materials, different finishes. The last pair we did was an all corduroy upper. This one has the nubuck suede upper, which I think might be my preferred upper for this type of shoe, because the fire reds had the all white leather that creased up noticeably quickly. This black nubuck I think is going to hold up a lot better in that creasing department, as well as the normal wear and tear, dirt, water, whatever you're gonna get playing golf in these. I think this is gonna hold up better, especially if you get your hands on protective shoe spray that I have linked in the description. But seriously, you want to do that. You want to take care of your kicks. And I think this nubuck is just going to hold up over the long term a lot better. You've got the classic mesh rubberized window here, the rubber mesh on the tongue. Everything else is classic Jordan 5, that iconic gray with the red embroidered Jumpman. Now, what I really like about what they do with the golf cleats is you get the classic pump lace separate, but on here, as it comes out of the box, you get a ball marker. I think it is such a cool touch. It just kind of elevates it. It lets you know that attention to detail has been taken. This isn't just a Jordan 5 that they slap golf spikes on, but you know that looking at the midsole and the outsole. But right there, another attention to detail thing that I love about this line and what Nike has been doing with Jordan 5 golf sneakers all 2020. They have been fantastic. I mean, all the colorways from the specialty ones to the classic OG colorways like this, you really can't go wrong. As far as sizing goes with the sneaker, guys, take your true size. Whatever your true size will be with Jordans, I should say. So for me, it's my true size, number 12, and it works just like I would get in a regular Jordan 5 or another Jordan Retro. That's my size I go with all the Jordan Retros. That's the size I would recommend you go with here. The thing with Nike golf sneakers sometimes is that they can be a little narrow, a little smaller. Not in this case. This is still fitting more or less like a Jordan Retro, so you don't have to worry about that. And as far as the fit goes, this is a very, very comfortable sneaker to golf in. I have already done a performance review on these where I wore these for a long time, and I played many rounds. I'm a very avid golfer, and I can tell you that over the long run, over walking an 18-hole round versus karting it multiple rounds in a week, this thing holds up. It is very comfortable. You've got air units going through here. You've got nice foam cushioning. but it's also stable in the ways that you need it to be stable when playing golf. And that's important because movements that we make when swinging a golf club are very different from movements that we make when playing basketball or running or otherwise. So you get, because of this nice outsole here, this nice hard plastic outsole, it creates that nice stable foundation for you to swing through, but you also get that cushion and that comfort that you're looking for in a golf shoe, as well as a Jordan Retro, something with Nike Air going through it. You expect a certain level of cushion and comfort there, and you're getting that with this sneaker. You really are not sacrificing anything with this sneaker, and that's why I have enjoyed these so much over the course of the year, and I've tried to collect almost as many colorways as I can get my hands on, because this is the 30th anniversary year, and guys, I don't know when they're going to start re-releasing these Jordan 5s in the specific golf colorways again. I would imagine going into 21, we're looking at Jordan 6 golf cleats. It's hard to picture in my mind, but then again, I didn't really have this pictured in my head either, but I think this silhouette, particularly the Jordan 5 silhouette, lends itself very nicely to golf cleats. Not all Jordan shoes will do that, and the Jordan 6 remains to be seen. I can't quite see it, so we'll see if an actual release happens, but for the meantime, these are the Jordan 5 Golf Lows, and if this metallic black is not your thing, there are plenty of other colorways that have dropped this year that you can get your hands on. Now, prices might come at a premium because they basically, every single one of these drops throughout the year have sold out, so you're going to pay a little bit of a premium, just like you're going to pay a little bit of a premium with these as well. I believe they are sold out. If not, I will have a link in the description below for you guys to buy them. So that's it. That's the Jordan 5 Golf Low. Very sweet, simple, and easy, guys. This is a golf cleat you definitely want to play with. It comes with my full recommendation. I definitely recommend you trying it out. And I want to thank you for joining us on this video on my channel. And if you are new here, please consider hitting that like and subscribe and joining the family. We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers. Don't forget also to check out my links down in the description below. Helpful links, my favorite sneaker books, my favorite golf books, as well as protective shoe spray for your golf and or regular sneakers to keep your kicks clean. They are also great ideas for gifts for those loved ones that are into sneakers or into golf for the holidays. I mean, shipping is already crazy, so don't worry about getting these before Christmas. It ain't gonna happen. So just get it for them anyway. A little post-Christmas present. Who doesn't like that? A little gift in January. So consider checking out those links down in the description below. And again, hitting that like and subscribe, joining the family, and joining me on the next video. So hit the bell so you are notified of the next video when it drops. And I will see you on the next one. Hope you have a good day, good evening, good night, whenever you are watching this. Peace.